In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact to favorites in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. This is where you can move between the different sections of your account. From that menu, click on Contacts. This will take you to your contact list where all of your saved contacts are displayed. Depending on how many contacts you have, you may see a full list right away, or you may need to scroll a little to find the person you're looking for. Now look for the contact you want to add to your favorites. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct record, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Once you've found the right contact, click directly on that contact's name to open their profile. After the profile opens, you'll be inside the contact details page. This is where you can view and manage information related to that specific contact. And near the top area of the contact profile, look for the star icon. This star is what Gohighlevel uses to mark a contact as a favorite. Go ahead and click on the star. This action updates the contact's status and adds them to your favorites. It's a quick way to highlight important contacts so they're easier to identify later. After clicking the star, check the icon carefully. Once you see that the star now has a slash on it, that indicates the contact has been added to favorites. That visual change confirms the action was successful, so there's nothing else you need to do. This is especially useful if you regularly work with certain leads, clients, or priority contacts and want a simple way to keep track of them. Favoriting a contact can help streamline your workflow and make important records easier to spot when you're moving through your contact list. If the icon doesn't seem to change right away, give the page a moment to update and confirm that you clicked the correct star inside the contact profile. In most cases, the change happens instantly. And that's it. That's how you add a contact to favorites and Gohighlevel.